Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Meenu. Good morning, Chinu. Where are you going so early in the morning?
We are going to Papa's field, Grandma. It's Sunday and there's no school. We are going to help Papa in the field.
That's very sweet, children. You go help your papa in the field, and I will cook some nice puris for you for lunch.
Nice puris. Grandma, we'll go fast and come back quickly for your nice puris. Okay, Grandma, bye.
Oh no! The baby goat is hurt. Look at the man on the scooter. He has hurt the goat and run away. That's really, really bad. Oh, poor goat. Your leg is bleeding. You must be badly hurt. It must be very painful. Okay, first let me tie your leg with a piece of cloth so that it stops bleeding. Chinu, do you have your handkerchief with you?
Yes, Meenu. You hold his leg carefully. I will gently tie this cloth around his wound.
Oh, little goat, don't cry. You will be fine. We will take good care of you.
Meenu, let's take him quickly to Papa. He will put some medicine on the wound. Then the little goat will feel better and get well soon.
Quickly, quickly, very quickly. The baby goat is crying. Let's run to the field and meet Papa. Papa, Papa, come here quickly. The baby goat is hurt. A bad man hit the goat with his scooter and drove away.
Papa, quickly! The baby goat is bleeding. He is in pain. Can you please put some medicine on his wound?
Oh, this is bad. Just wait here in the shade of the tree. I will go and get some medicine. Just give him some water to drink. He will feel better.
Meenu, can I give him some honey?
Oh, Buzz. First, let us give him some water. Let me fetch some water in that tin.
Here, I have some medicine for the baby goat. Let me put it on the wound. Then I will bandage his leg. Meenu and Chinu, keep petting the baby. He is very scared. Meenu, it is done. He looks fine. Now I want you to take the baby goat to the animal doctor in a village. She will check him completely and tell us if any bone is broken or not.
Yes, Papa. We will go now only.
Don't worry. Your baby will be fine. See? He has stopped crying. He is feeling much better now. Come, let us take him to the doctor.
Meenu, just look at how people hurt us. They don't understand that even we animals feel pain.
I know it's bad, but not all people are bad. Look at Ramu uncle there. He is giving his cow a bath.
Hello, children. Where are you going? Oh my God. What happened to the baby goat?
Uncle, he got hurt by a scooter. We are taking him to the doctor.
Uncle, you have given your cow a nice bath.
Oh yes, my child. I take very good care of my cow. She is like a member of my family.
Even we take very good care of our cow, Lakshmi. Papa gives her a bath and decorates her very well. He touches her and pets her every time.
That's very good, Buzz. Cows give us milk. Many other animals also help us a lot. Like oxen plow the field, the donkey carries a load.
Yes, uncle. Hens give eggs. Camels and bullocks pull carts. Elephants carry people and heavy things. So we should always be kind to animals.
I also help you. I give you honey. Bees give you honey. That's right. Honey bees give us honey. Dogs guard our house. Cats chase mice. Oh, Meenu, I am very scared of our cat.
I know a funny story about cats.
A story? I love stories. Chinu, please tell us the story. Even baby goat loves stories.
Okay, I will tell you the story. But first, let us start walking to the doctor's place. I will tell you the story on the way.
Okay, children. Take the goat quickly to the doctor. You are very kind.
Bye, Uncle. Chinu, what about the story?
Okay. Once upon a time, there was a king. He was really foolish. He did not think before he did anything. One day he was walking near the palace field to check the crop. He saw lots of cats playing in the field. They were stepping over the plants. Some of the plants were getting crushed.
See, I told you. Cats are very naughty. They even chase our little chicks at home. I am very scared of them. Oh, Buzz. Let us listen to the whole story first. Chinu, what happened then?
The king got very angry. He thought that he would not get lots of grain if the cats spoilt the crop. He ordered that all the cats should be driven away from the fields. Then he would get more grain from his field.
Oh, that's very good. There would be no cats in the field. Everyone would love to live in that kingdom.
But they will not get anything to eat then.
Why will they not get anything to eat? Why?
Because this is what happened. The gods drove away all the cats from the field. Then, after some months, they harvested the crops. they found that the grain from the fields was less. It was much lesser than the previous year. The king got very angry. He asked his guards to find out who was taking away the grain. He thought that since the cats were driven away, there should have been more grains. The king had a wise minister in his court. He said that it was the rats that were eating away the grain.
Oh, now I know. The cats were protecting the grains from the rats. Rats are scared of cats and will not come if there were cats around. When the king's guards drove away the cats, the field lost most of its grains. The rats ate them all up.
That's right. The king then felt very bad. He then ordered for the cats to come back to his kingdom. The minister then explained to the king that people should not try to change acts of nature. Every animal is important to us, and we should understand that well.
Oh, then even our naughty cat helps us. Otherwise, we will have lots of rats in our house. Oh my God, I am even more scared of rats.
Look, we have reached the doctor's place. Let's take the goat inside. Good morning, Doctor Auntie. We need your help. This little goat was hit by a scooter. He has hurt his leg. My papa has put some medicine and bandaged his leg. Could you please check if he's fine?
He's fine, children. Thank God, his bone has not broken. Here, give him these medicines. He will be able to walk well in 4 or 5 days. Baby, you will be fine. Be careful. Children, you are very kind. Please take good care of this baby till he gets well. Look at his mother's face. She is very sad and upset. Don't worry. Your child is fine.
Doctor Auntie, do animals also feel like people? Will the mother goat also be upset?
Oh yes, children. They know everything. Look at the mother bird sitting sadly on that tree. Yesterday, an egg fell out of her nest. It fell down and broke. She was flying near the egg in circles for more than 2 hours. I give her grains every day to eat. She has not even eaten her grains today. She is very upset.
Oh, that is really sad. Dr. Auntie, what is that hanging on that tree? Did you make it?
Yes, I made it. It is called a bird bath. Even you can make it. I will tell you how to do it. Come with me. First, you have to take any small earthen pot, but it should have a wide mouth. Then, you have to tie it with a rope like this. After that, you should hang it on the branch of a tree. You can even put it on a hook outside your house. Then, you should pour some water into it. Then, you watch it every day. you will see lots of birds that come and drink water from it.
Oh, I know, Auntie. Animals too need air, water, and food to live just like us. We will make a bird bath today and hang it outside our house.
It will help the birds to get water to drink.
That's very nice. You can put some grains in the ground under the same tree. See, I have put some. Then the birds will eat them also.
Oh, yes, Auntie. Our grandma feeds the birds some grain every day. She also feeds bananas and other vegetables to the cows and goats when she sees them.
That's very good. We all should be kind to animals. Many animals like to be touched and petted, like dogs, cows, horses, goats. You can touch them lovingly and pet them, but never tease them. You should also remember this. You cannot touch all animals. Some of them can bite you and harm you, like snakes, tigers, monkeys, or bears. You cannot touch them or tease them. But all animals are special in their own way. They also have feelings like us.
Yes, Auntie, they too have feelings. Yesterday, I saw Moti with her 4 pups. Moti is a dog that lives near our house. Moti had gone to look for food. The 4 pups were alone. I just carried 1 pup to pet it. I was standing under a tree. Moti came back but did not see me. She started crying when she could not find one of her babies. I felt so bad. I ran and left her little pup with her. She started licking me. Then I gave her food.
That is how she must have thanked you for bringing her baby back.
Auntie, we have to go back home now. Our grandma will be worried. Thank you for helping the baby goat.
That's okay, children. Feed the baby goat lots of grass, vegetables, fruits, and leaves that he likes. He will get well faster.
Okay, Auntie, we will do that. Bye, Auntie.
Meenu, can I give the baby goat honey to drink? Why does he like only grass, vegetables and fruits? Honey is much sweeter.
Buzz, you like honey. Different animals like different things. Cows, horses and goats like to eat grass and leaves. Elephants like sugar cane. Squirrels like nuts. Monkeys like nuts and fruits. Parrots love guava and green chilies. Sparrows like grains. Lizards and spiders eat insects.
I know. I am very scared of spiders and their webs. But some animals eat everything. I have seen crows eat everything. Even a dog eats everything.
That's right. Some animals eat everything. But I don't know what some animals eat, like a mosquito or a cockroach. Friends, do you know what they eat? Please tell me also.
We have to go now. We have to take care of the baby goat. Friends, please be very kind to animals. Please don't tease animals. Even we have feelings like you do.
Shall we match the following now? Dog, guards the house. Cow, gives milk. Hen, gives eggs. Ox, plows the field. Honey bee, makes honey. Bullock, pulls carts. Donkey, carries load. Cat. Chases mice. Dog guards the house. Cow gives milk. Hen gives eggs. Ox plows the field. Honeybee makes honey. Bullock pulls carts. Donkey carries load. Cat chases mice. Shall we help us fill in the blanks? Cows give us milk. Animals are very to us. Animals are very useful to us. And eat everything. Crows and dogs eat everything. And help carry people and other things. Elephants and camels help carry people and other things. We should take of animals. We should take good care of animals. Animals are our Animals are our friends. Animals also have like us. Animals also have feelings like us. Cows give us milk. Animals are very useful to us. Crows and dogs eat everything. Elephants and camels help carry people and other things. We should take good care of animals. Animals are our friends. Animals also have feelings like us. Will you match what these animals eat? Cow, cross, squirrel, nuts, parrot, green chili, elephant, Sugarcane. Hen. Green. Sparrow. Green. Monkey. Nuts and fruits. Lizard. Insect. Goat. Grass and leaves. Honeybee. Nectar. Cow. Cross. Squirrel. Nuts. Parrot. Green chili. Elephant. Sugarcane. Hen. Green. Sparrow. Green. Monkey. Nuts and fruits. Lizard. Insect. Goat. Grass and leaves. Honeybee. Nectar. Can you tell which of these animals you can touch and which you should not touch? Cow. Can touch. Snake. Should not touch. Monkey. Should not touch. Tiger. Should not touch. Dog. Can touch. Rat. Should not touch. Buffalo. Can touch. Hen. Can touch. Bear. Should not touch. Pigeon. Can touch. Goat. Can touch. Lion. Should not touch. Cow. Can touch. Snake. Should not touch. Monkey. Should not touch. Tiger. Should not touch. Dog. Can touch. Rat. Should not touch. Buffalo. Can touch. Hen. Can touch. Bear should not touch. Pigeon can touch. Goat can touch. Lion should not touch.